One supplement repairs nerves. Gabapentin only masks pain. This is alpha-lipoic acid. Most people call it ALA. You take one capsule a day, 600 milligrams with breakfast. That's the dose that's worked in most studies. Not 50 milligrams, not 100, 600. Here's why that one capsule changes everything and why it works differently than the pill your doctor probably gave you. Gabapentin turns down the volume on the pain. That's all it does. It's like turning down a radio that's playing static. The static is still there. You just can't hear it as loud. ALA is different. ALA doesn't turn down the volume, it fixes the speaker. One masks the problem, the other rebuilds the nerve. You need both sometimes, but most people only get the mask. Nobody told them about the rebuild. Let me tell you exactly what ALA does inside your body. Your nerves are under attack from something called oxidative stress. Think of it like rust on metal. Every day, your body makes tiny rust particles that damage your nerve cells. ALA is the rust remover, but it's a special kind. Most rust removers only work in water or only work in oil. ALA works in both. Why does this matter? Your nerve cells have water inside them and oil in their coating. Regular antioxidants can only clean one side. ALA cleans both. It goes everywhere. But here's the key. ALA does something no other supplement does. After it removes rust, it recharges other antioxidants your body already has, like vitamin C and vitamin E. It doesn't just clean up. It hires a cleaning crew and pays their salary. Second surprising fact, ALA helps your body use insulin better. When blood sugar spikes after a meal, it creates even more rust. ALA slows down those sugar spikes. It's protecting your nerves two ways at once. Now, let me tell you about the second supplement that pairs with ALA, magnesium glycinate. Magnesium calms nerves. When you don't have enough magnesium, your nerves fire too much. That's the buzzing, tingling, pins and needles feeling. But not all magnesium is the same. The kind you want to get is called magnesium glycinate. Not citrate, not oxide, glycinate. Citrate will give you diarrhea. Oxide barely gets into your body at all. It's like eating sand. Glycinate is attached to an amino acid that your body actually wants, so it absorbs better and doesn't upset your stomach. Here's the timing that matters. Take your ALA with breakfast, 600 milligrams. Take your magnesium glycinate 1 hour before bed. Between 200 and 400 milligrams, ALA during the day fights the rust. Magnesium at night calms the nerve so you can sleep. Together, they cover the full 24-hour repair cycle. Let me show you how these 4 days connect. Day 1 was the nerve floss. You're unkinking the hose, getting blood to nerves that haven't seen good blood flow in years. Day 2, the walnuts. You're giving your night repair crew the raw material they need to rebuild. Day 3, sleep position. You're removing the nightly compression that undoes all the daytime repair. Day 4, ALA and magnesium. You're adding the chemical tools that remove rust and calm the electrical storm in your nerves. None of these work alone, but together they cover every angle. One warning about ALA. If you take diabetes medication or blood thinners, talk to your doctor before starting ALA. ALA can lower blood sugar. That's usually good, but if you're already on medication, the combination could drop it too low. Always tell your doctor what you're taking, even over-the-counter supplements, especially if you're on multiple prescriptions. Day 4, pen test. Same as day 2, close your eyes, have someone tap the tip of your big toe with a pen cap. Don't look, sharp or dull. Compare your answer to day 2. If it's changed from dull to sharp, the ALA and walnuts are working. If it hasn't changed yet, don't worry. Severe nerve damage can take weeks, sometimes months, to show up on this test. Stay with the protocol. Write down your number, day 2 versus day 4. We're checking one more time on day 7. Today's action, get the ALA, 600 milligrams, with breakfast tomorrow morning. Day 5 is my favorite, a 4-minute morning routine that wakes up your nerves before your feet hit the floor. This one routine has changed more lives in my practice than anything else. Hit subscribe, don't miss it. Start with just one thing. ALA with breakfast, that's the adjustment. See you tomorrow.